लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मत् आचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. The University of Madras has a truly unique distinction. It is the only university to have an exclusive department dedicated to the philosophy of Vaishnavism. Vaishnavism, one of the major traditions within Hinduism, has followers and practitioners across the world. Its teachings and practices can be seen as addressing various developmental needs at the local, national, regional, and global levels. Vaishnavism, as a religious and philosophical tradition within Hinduism, addresses various ethical, gender-related, human values, environmental, and sustainability issues. Vaishnavism, like many spiritual and philosophical traditions, incorporates various methods of learning and problem solving. While the specific terminologies used in modern education might not directly align with those in Vaishnavism, we can draw parallels between the principles and practices of experiential learning, participative learning, and problem-solving methodologies within the context of Vaishnavism. Overall, Vaishnavism offers a holistic approach to learning and personal growth, incorporating experiential learning through devotional practices, participative learning through communal engagement, and problem-solving through spiritual wisdom and ethical guidance. These elements combine to create a transformative and enriching educational experience for adherents of Vaishnavism. Established in 1984, the Vaishnavism department is dedicated to the academic excellence in teaching and research. The Vaishnavism department stands out as the only university department dedicated exclusively to the philosophy of Vaishnavism, making it a unique center for academic exploration and research in this field. Guided by its vision and mission of fostering study and research across all schools of Vaishnavism, the department offers robust teaching and research programs. These include postgraduate degrees such as MA in Vaishnavism and PG Diploma in Divya Prabandham, as well as advanced research opportunities through MPhil and PhD programs. The curriculum is further enriched by 14 elective courses and 4 soft skills modules, ensuring a holistic academic experience. The department also hosts 2 international and 10 national seminars, along with 20 annual endowment lectures and specialized workshops sponsored by the Indian Council of Philosophical Research (ICPR). With a dedicated library housing over 6,000 books and state-of-the-art computer facilities, the department provides a well-rounded environment for both learning and research. In the last academic year, one of our junior research fellowship JRF student achieved a significant milestone by successfully clearing the All India National Eligibility Test. ICT-enabled education. By incorporating ICT-enabled tools into teaching of Vaishnavism, we make the subject more engaging, accessible, and inclusive, thereby fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of the spiritual tradition among the learners. POs, PSOs, and COs. In the context of Vaishnavism, measuring program outcomes, program-specific outcomes, and course outcomes are approached through a combination of qualitative and quantitative methods. Since Vaishnavism is a spiritual and philosophical tradition, the evaluation process may not be identical to traditional academic assessments. Research. The research facilities for Vaishnavism can vary depending on the region and institutions dedicated to the study of Hinduism and related philosophical traditions. The Department of Vaishnavism has produced 63 MPhil and 52 PhD scholars, with additional scholars currently pursuing their doctoral degrees. Vaishnavism, as a significant aspect of Hinduism, is studied and researched by scholars and academics globally. In Vaishnavism, the stated vision and mission are the guiding principles that drive its academic and administrative governance. These principles reflect the overarching goals and values of the educational institutions and organizations dedicated to the study and promotion of Vaishnavism. The Vaishnavism department is committed to aligning its educational mission with contemporary societal needs and fostering holistic development amongst its students. Rooted in the teachings and values of Vaishnavism, the department seeks to nurture individuals who are compassionate, selfless, and socially responsible. Looking ahead, the department envisions creating an incubation center dedicated to promoting and transferring knowledge in Vaishnavism, fostering innovation and collaborations in this domain. Additionally, it plans to establish consultancy services to offer expert guidance and practical applicants of Vaishnavism, ensuring its relevance and impact in addressing modern challenges. These initiatives aim to bridge traditional wisdom with futuristic approaches, empowering students to become the change makers in the society. Over the years, the department has been shaped by distinguished scholars whose achievements have brought national and international recognition. Professor M. Narasimhachari, the founder professor and former head of the Department of Vaishnavism, was honored with the prestigious Certificate of Honor for Proficiency in Sanskrit by the President of India in the year 2004. This award is a rare national recognition given to eminent scholars in classical languages, and it highlights his outstanding contribution to Sanskrit and Vaishnavism studies. Another eminent scholar of the department, Dr. V.K.S.N. Raghavan, former professor and head, contributed a significant article to the volume Theistic Vedanta, published as part of the project of History of Indian Science, Philosophy and Culture (PHISPC) by the Center for Studies in Civilizations, New Delhi in 2003. This work has added depth to the academic understanding of Vedantic traditions and strengthened the department's reputation in global scholarship. Continuing this tradition of excellence, Dr. M. A. Venkatakrishnan, former professor and head of the Department of Vaishnavism, was honored with the Distinguished Uvesa Award by the Government of Tamil Nadu in 2016. This recognition reflects his immense contributions to Tamil and Sanskrit religious literature, Sri Vaishnava tradition, and the popularization of Vaishnavite philosophy among both academic and lay audiences. The Department of Vaishnavism stands on a rich legacy of scholarship and dedicated leadership and is currently headed by an able leader, Dr. K. Dayanidhi, Assistant Professor and Head in Charge. At the University of Madras, Dr. K. Dayanidhi was honored with the Best Researcher Award in the year 2023 in recognition of his commitment to academic excellence. His accolades includes a study on temple festivals for interreligious peace and harmony funded by the UPE, developing a specialized information system to optimize religious tourism in Tamil Nadu supported by RUSA, and exploring the evolution of digital religious studies, perspectives and future potentials under RUSA. These initiatives reflect his dedication to integrating cultural heritage with modern digital framework within university's academic landscape. Together, these achievements by the faculty showcases the Department of Vaishnavism as a vibrant center of learning where inspired leadership and committed scholarship continue to uphold and enrich the living heritage of Vaishnavism.
Dear distinguished guests, as Secretary of Alumni Association of Vaishnavism for the past 30 years or so, it gives me an immense pleasure to send these greetings to the Department of Vaishnavism on its completion of 40th year. we have celebrated the Sahasrabdi of Sri Ramanuja in 2017, the 750th year anniversary of Vedanta Desika, and the 600th year anniversary of Manavala Mamunigal, both in 2020, and the Sahasrabdi of Embar very recently in 2025, that our association is the only body to have two Padma awardees. You know, Dr. Sarojini Varadappan, daughter of Dr. M. Bhaktavacharam, ex-Chief Minister, and Mrs. YGP. Our activities include Tirupavai for all the 30 days of Margazhi month. We are also proud. We have every month a lecture by one eminent scholar last 5 years, and immediately after the lecture, it is uploaded in our channel. Embrace Bhakti, enriching lives is our motto, and with the support from the department, we are sure to perpetuate this. Thank you.
मङ्गलं वेदसो वेति मेदिनी गृहमेदिने वरदाय दयाताम्ने धीरोदाराय मङ्गलं वाजिमेतेव पाहो मे साधुरुत्तरवेदितः उदिताय हुतातक्ने उदाराङ्गाय मङ्गलम् अस्तु स्तिस्तनकस्तूरी वासनावासितोरसे श्रीहस्तिगिरिनाथाय देवराजाय मङ्गलम् मङ्गलाशासनपदैः मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैर् சக்ருதாயாஸ்து மங்களம்.
எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு சுபதினம். என்ன அப்படின்னா, அகாடமிக் வேலை பார்க்கும் பொழுது in our University of Madras is privileged to take a 3 eminence Acharyas Tirnakshatram has been celebrated. First முதல்ல பார்க்கும் பொழுது ராமானுஜா ஆச்சாரிய சார்வபௌமனான ராமானுஜாச்சாரியருடைய ஆயிராத திருநக்ஷத்திரமும் சுவாமி தேசிகனுடைய 750 இப்பொழுது ஆச்சாரிய வள்ளலாக ஸ்ரீ மணவாள மாமுனிகளுடைய 650வது திருநக்ஷத்திர மகோத்சவத்தை முன்னிட்டு
to all the participants in this seminar which being conducted on Sri Manavala Mahamuni's 650th year. Many scholars have taken time to join this wonderful conference, and a beautiful introduction has been given by Sriman Parthasarathi Swami, the secretary of this organization, and Dr. Dayanidhi Swami gave a very beautiful introduction about the theme of this conference. We also feel privileged to be a part of this wonderful conference. We offer our Mangala Sasanams to all the scholars who assembled here.
சென்னை பல்கலைக்கழகத்தினுடைய பேராசிரியராக பணியாற்றிய காலத்திலேயே 3 நாள்கள் அங்க நேரடியாகவே அந்த மணவாள மாமனிகளை பற்றின கருத்தரங்கு நடைபெற்ற எல்லா ஆச்சாரியாளை பற்றி கருத்தரங்கும் அடிய நடத்திருக்கேன். அதுல மணவாள மாமனிகளை பற்றின கருத்தரங்கும் ரொம்ப சிறப்பாக நடத்தி அப்பவும் பெரிய பெரிய வித்வான்கள் மட்டாதிபதிகள் எல்லாம் வந்து கலந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார்கள். அப்படியெல்லாம் நடந்தது. இப்பொழுதும் இந்த கருத்தரங்கை ரொம்ப ஆர்வத்தோடு மணவாள மாமனிகளுடைய 650வது ஆண்டு என்கிற ஒரு வியாஜத்தை வைத்து இப்பொழுது துறையினுடைய பொறுப்பாளராக இருக்கக்கூடிய டாக்டர் தயாநிதி அவர்கள் ரொம்ப சிறப்பாக இதை ஏற்பாடு செய்திருக்கிறார். அவருக்கு என்னுடைய பாராட்டுதல்களையும் வாழ்த்துக்களையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். அதே போல அவருக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருந்து இதை நடத்தி கொடுத்து கொண்டிருக்கிற இந்த அதாவது மாணவர் பேரவை, முன்னாள் மாணவர் பேரவை என்று சொல்லப்படுகின்ற அலுமினி அசோசியேஷன் ஆஃப் வைஷ்ணவிசம், அதற்கு முக்கியஸ்தராக இருக்கக்கூடிய இப்பொழுது ஸ்ரீ டி.கே. பார்த்தசாரதி, அதே போல ஸ்ரீ வரதராஜன், அவெல்லாம் ரொம்ப சிரமப்பட்டு அதுவும் இப்போ இருக்கக்கூடிய விஞ்ஞான முன்னேற்றத்தை வைத்து இப்படி இணையதளத்தின் மூலமாகவே கருத்தரங்கு நடத்துறா. இதுல எனக்கு என்ன ஒரு சந்தோஷம்னா, நேர கருத்தரங்கு நடத்தினா கூட இவ்வளவு பேர் வரமாட்டா, இணையதளத்தில் நடத்தினா நிறைய பேர் இதுல இருக்கா மாதிரி தெரியறது. அதனால இது இன்னும் வீச்சு அதிகமா இருக்குன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். இப்படிப்பட்ட கருத்தரங்கை இவர்கள் ஏற்பாடு பண்ணி இருக்கிறதுக்கு என்னுடைய பாராட்டுதல்களை நான் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன், என்னுடைய வாழ்த்தையும் நான் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.
Expressing my gratitude for the opportunity to be part of this auspicious occasion. I realize that coming from America and being outside the tradition, it's a great honor for me to be part of this celebration. So as Dr. Parthasarathi said, 2 years ago, I was happy and honored to be part of the celebrations for Sri Ramanuja, 1,000 years. And so I was happy to accept this opportunity to be with you.
ஆன்லைன் மூலமாக இந்த ஒரு விஷயம் எல்லாம் வந்துட்டு இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியமான விஷயம். From people from all over the world are joining. அந்த ஒரு இது டெக்னாலஜி has enabled that. இந்த சந்தர்ப்பத்துல அடியேனுக்கும் கூட இங்க ஒரு வாய்ப்பை அளித்த ஸ்ரீமான் சிவவே டி.கே. பார்த்தசாரதி சுவாமிகள், தயாநிதி சுவாமிகள், அலுமினி அசோசியேஷன் ஆஃப் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் வைஷ்ணவிசம் இவர்கள் எல்லோருக்கும் கூட அடியேன் தலையெல்லாம் கைம்பாரினேனே என்று சொல்லி இப்பேற்பட்ட ஒரு அவகாசத்தை அளித்து இங்க அடியேனை அனுகிரகிக்கிறதுக்காக இங்க எத்தனையோ பெரிய வித்வான்கள், ஸ்ரீ வைஷ்ணவர்கள் எல்லோரும் இங்க இருக்கிறார்கள். அவர்கள் எல்லோருக்கும் கூட அடியேன் சாஷ்டாங்க பிரணாமத்தை சமர்ப்பித்து வரவழைக்கிறேன், விரமிக்கிறேன்.
எல்லோரும் இன்புற்றிருக்க வேண்டும் என்று பிரார்த்தித்துக் கொண்டு இப்படிப்பட்ட பாக்கியத்தை அளித்த எல்லோரும் அடியேனுடைய கிருதஜ்ஞதானுசந்தானத்தோடு முடித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.